Glamorous, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Irish Wong once again, your technical educator for G&G Salon Professional Philippines. Guys, we have already discussed previously dun sa mga vlogs natin, napanood nyo naman yung ating mga rebonding system. We already discussed the keratin treatment, and today we will be discussing our OTC or home care products. And today, we will be focusing on Xbooster and our Cara Dose treatment, guys. Paano siya gamitin, kanino dapat gamitin, and how effective it is. So kung excited na kayo, lahat po yan ay didiscuss natin sa ating G&G Glamour hair session. So guys, these are the G&G OTC product line. So we have the hair expertise for hair color. We have the Brazilian keratin mask for keratin treatment. Ito yung pwede nyong gamitin sa bahay right after keratin. And we also have the charcoal detox mask for scalp problem or residues na meron kayo sa buhok ninyo. It will remove, you know, the residues and the dandruff and itchiness. And then we also have the shampoos. We have the Keratreat shampoo and conditioner. These are sulfate-free para po doon sa mga client nagpapa-chemical treat sa salon. So these are the best. And the argan oil shampoo and conditioner for dry and dehydrated hair. We have our purple shampoo for anti-yellow and of course doon sa mga mahilig mag-highlights. Sa mga mahilig mag-ash, so this is the best shampoo for you. And we have our hair growth shampoo and serum for the early stage of shedding. So it will help prevent the hair fall. At the same time, it promotes the hair growth. And we have our G&G Hair Expertise Brazilian Hair Mask na naka-sachet na you can bring anytime, anywhere. And our main topic for today is the Xbooster and our Cara Dose treatment. So guys, join me. I'll show you how to do it with our hair session. So guys, this is our model, Miss Weng. Her hair is damaged due to repeatedly color and bleach. So guys, ang gagamitin natin kay Miss Weng is our Cara Dose treatment. Meron po siyang whole package like this one. Pero meron siyang sprayer and this will help rejuvenates the hair. At the same time, natatanggal din po siya ng frizz. This is a leave-in treatment. So, very easy to use. You just have to spray. Action natin yung hair evenly. And then apply our Cara Dose treatment. Emulsify a little bit and comb. You see? Ganon kabilis yung kanyang detangling. It smoothens the hair right away after the spray or application. It's very easy. Just few spray, emulsify again, little bit. And comb. That's it. Voila. This is how easy you use your Cara Dose treatment. You can bring anywhere, anytime, because it comes with a handy package, and you can put it in your bag, in your car, in your purse. This is a very lightweight treatment. This is a water-based treatment that also brings out the collagen in your hair. At the same time, it has an anti-frizz. It protects your hair from direct heat, especially before blow drying or ironing. And it also protects your hair color when you go under the sun. It has anti-frizz, anti-split ends, and also rejuvenates your hair. So guys, this is our Salon Professional size. It has 12 bottles inside in 15 ml size and 20 ml for the salon consumers. No? So, remind your clients just to spray it and leave it. Anytime, any time of the day, they can use it. So, you don't have to worry na kailangan i-rinse off. Guys, you can also offer this to your clients na nagmamadali at walang time na magpa-treatment sa salon. Ito yung mga client na, oh, pwede bang magpa-treatment pero I don't have time. So, just spray, Just leave in, no? Very easy to use as I've shown you a while ago. And pwede itong gamitin right after color and even after hair cutting. Ayan. So, mas na-upgrade natin yung service natin sa salon when we do yung extra, no, na service para sa kanila. And now we will finish it with the blow drying. So guys, after ng Cara Dose treatment, we're going to use this Xbooster stem cell hair therapy treatment on Miss Jess hair. As you can see, ang buhok niya ay galing na po sa paulit-ulit na bleach at ito po ay i-revive natin using the stem cell. Our Xbooster comes with our rejuvenating mask. Dalawa po siya in one package. So, I'm going to show you how to use this on your client's hair, specifically for fully damaged hair like this one. So what you're going to do is to mix your Xbooster with 50 ml bottle when you use it for a standalone treatment. A cup. And it is actually a professional syringe type dispenser, and you can see the line here that will guide you kung ilang ml po yung dapat natin gamitin. So with 50 ml, I'm going to use 5 ml. Again, this will help the hair fixes the bonds together after the series of rebonding and any form of chemical. So guys, when you want to use the stem cell treatment with color, with bleach, or even with rebonding treatment, you just have to mix at least 3 ml for every 60 ml of your chemical treatment. Okay? So, nakakatulong din yun to prevent from further damage and further breakage, especially kung ganito na po ka-sensitive yung kanyang hair. So guys, this is it. We're going to leave the hair to process at least 7 to 10 minutes. And then after po nito, i-rinse off natin siya lightly just to remove the residue of the chemicals. You don't have to rinse well, no? Kailangan kasi may maiwan pa rin. So, wag din kayo magtataka pag sasabihin nyo, Miss Irish, bakit matigas yung result? Yun yung hinahanap nating resulta kasi nga, finifix niya yung bonds together during the process of babad natin, okay? And guys, when you are on the process of bleaching, your end treatment will be your hair mask, Xbooster hair mask. So, ito na yung pinaka-post treatment na gagamitin ninyo sa inyong client. And when you sell the whole package to your client, pwede nyong iwanan sa kanya yung isa to use it at home. So guys, after 10 minutes, we'll rinse the hair lightly just to see the white residues of the water, and then that's it. After 10 minutes po ito. After rinsing, guys, just have to remove the excess water. Don't twist the hair. And then we will apply the post-treatment and leave it for another 10 minutes. And then we'll leave it for another 10 minutes. Guys, the treatment can detangle the hair, it smooths and seals the cuticle layer. So after leaving this for 10 minutes, we'll rinse it off and blow dry and style as you like. So there you go guys, after 10 minutes, as you can see, it has an anti-detangling and very easy to comb. Let's blow dry the hair now. So there you go guys, thank you for joining me with our hair session with the Xbooster and Cara Dose treatment. I hope you guys will avail this in your favorite salons. Salamat, and I hope you learned something today. Thank you once again. This is Irish Wong, your technical educator for G&G Salon Professional Philippines. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram and Facebook account. Again, this is Irish Wong, your technical educator for G&G Salon Professional Philippines. Please watch our next vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.